Hello, welcome back. The topic today is stress and stomach ulcer, the relationship between stress and stomach ulcer. First thing we like to say is stress cannot cause stomach ulcer or any ulcer in the intestine, but it can aggravate the already existing ulcer. It will prevent the ulcer healing. And one more thing is very important thing is what is, most of the people think stress means depression. No, depression is one part. Anxiety, fear, panic disorder, all these things are also a stress. Same way, suppose somebody is hospitalized for a major disease, for prolonged hospitalization, prolonged disease, that is also a stress, but it's a physical stress. It's not a psychological stress, but it's a physical stress. But what happens in the stress? Very simply, the cortisol and adrenaline secretion increases in the stress. So naturally, these hormones can increase they can increase gastric juice secretion, the acid secretion. So definitely, because of this, the healing of the ulcer or the worsening of the ulcer symptoms will be increased. So the gut and intestinal axis, or the gut and brain axis, is disturbed in the stress. So naturally, they have a hyper acid secretion, which again disturbs the digestion and aggravates the ulcer problem. When there is too much of acid continuously, the gut bacteria or the gut flora or the gut, the normal bacteria, the bad bacteria balance is disturbed. So there is imbalance of good and bad bacteria causing a digestive problem, and again indirectly it affects the ulcer healing. And the stress also disturbs the sleep. So sleep is essential for any healing, and also lack of sleep also increases. The stress also increases the weight gain. So all these things put together can disturb the stomach ulcer or aggravate the ulcer problem or prevent the ulcer healing. Definitely, ulcer cannot directly cause the ulcer, but it can indirectly disturb the problem. So, if you have an ulcer and you also have a stress, consult your doctor, and probably you may need a separate treatment for the stress part. So, ulcer with stress needs more, balanced treatment. Thank you.